Hello everyone, and in front of me is OPPO F29, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So at first open the settings, then find and select Wallpapers and Style, click on Wallpapers, choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. You've got Classics, Life, Color OS Wallpapers, and way more albums at the bottom. Then you can also open your gallery. You can create carousel wallpaper if you want. For example, let me pick some photo from my gallery. Let's apply Dua on the home screen, for example like this. Tap on Apply To, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. Then you can customize it however you like. Tap on Apply then, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.